this video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Roblox on your device. Head over into the More section and go ahead and head over into the Settings. So click on Settings, and in here, go ahead and look for the Communication section of Roblox. So I'll simply blindly select anything since I personally don't know where I can find the communication settings on Roblox. So I'll try to scroll to each of the section to find if I can find that communication settings in there. So basically in here you can find the communication settings. So just simply click on communication. So let's head back and click on this communication tab. Under that, go ahead and click on voice chat and make sure that you enable voice chat, or you enable your microphone for your voice chat on Roblox. And that's basically how you can get voice chat on Roblox. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.